Imagine an amphibious assault where the first vehicles approaching the beach carry no crews. That is the concept behind Turkey's FNSS U-MAV, a new 8-ton unmanned amphibious ground vehicle designed to go where the risk is greatest before troops arrive. Unveiled at Teknofest Mavi Vatan 2026, the UMAV is designed to operate alongside FNSS marine assault vehicles, creating a manned-unmanned team for contested beach landings. Its mission is straightforward: make first contact with the shoreline defenses, identify and tackle obstacles and mines, and help prepare the beach for the manned assault force, while keeping personnel away from the most dangerous phase of the operation. Powered by a 300 horsepower power pack, UMAV can reach up to 70 kilometers per hour on land and 7 knots in the water, allowing it to transition from sea to shore without slowing the assault force behind it. But mobility is only part of the story. The UMAV is built around a modular architecture with mission payloads reportedly interchangeable in around 40 minutes. One platform can therefore be configured for fire support, mine clearance, combat engineering, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, counter-drone missions, or navigation and obstacle marking. FNSS says the vehicle can operate in remote-controlled, autonomous, or hybrid modes, using its navigation and communication systems to maintain control throughout the mission. The result is more than an unmanned vehicle. It is a new concept for the amphibious battlefield, putting machines into the first wave, absorbing risk, opening routes, finding threats, and creating opportunities for the soldiers and marines that follow. With UMAV, FNSS is betting that the future of amphibious assault may begin with a vehicle carrying no one at all.